Hi all, hope you all doing well. Today I came for my personal reason. I came to Leeds, but seeing its beauty, I want to share some footages with you. And yeah, we'll see how beautiful Leeds is. Stay tuned. Trinity Leeds, one of the modern shopping center in Leeds. It's really beautiful, and there are like ground 1 and 2nd floors, and in 2nd floor mostly food items and cinema, and some of the leading retail shops are here. Next, Primark, H&M over there, and in ground floor they have Superdry and stuff like that. Yeah, it's a huge one. This is the corn exchange. It's more like a collection of non-branded sellers. So we'll see what we can see in corn exchange. As a video how much it's gonna succeed, but yeah, these are the small spots that you can see in the city center area. This is the city square. back to the station because I was planning to eat there, but it was crowded and the benches are shitty. So yeah. This is the Leeds train station. See how big it is. I'm gonna have my lunch in the train. Just came to Birmingham New Street, so from Leeds I got the cross-country train, so I got off from the Birmingham New Street. Now I'm heading back to Coventry, and see you in another nice video. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and see you all. Stay tuned. Bye.